Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and deactivate your Telegram account permanently or just delete it completely. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open the application and head into the settings. Once you've done that, look for privacy and security. And now you want to simply go into data settings and you can simply go ahead and click on delete. You can simply click on delete my account. However, if you don't find it on the application, what you can do is simply head into mytelegram.org/delete, enter your number and the confirmation code sent to the app, and follow the prompts to confirm deletion, which erases all data and is irreversible. Alternatively, you can set an inactivity timer of 1 month to 1 year in the app's privacy security settings for automatic deletion. I hope this video made everything clear. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.